Before getting into the exercise problems, uh, let's look into the equal matrix. Equal matrix is said to be when the A and B matrices are said to be equal, when if and only if there are two conditions: A and B are of same order. Same order means if A is of 2 cross 2, B is also 2 cross 2. If it is of the same order and the corresponding elements are equal, means here we can say in the see in the example that A is equals to 0 1 minus 3 6, B is equals to 0 1 minus 3 6. Here the order of the matrix is 2 cross 2. Here the order of B is also 2 cross 2. The corresponding elements means 0 0, it is 1 is 1, minus 3 minus 3, 6 and 6. All the elements are equal, and then both A and B order is 2 cross 2 and the corresponding elements are equal, then it is said to be the equal matrix. Totally there is nothing in this. The equal matrix says that it has to be equal, the order is equal and the elements are equal, then it is called as equal matrix. Let's look into the exercise problems. Okay, first now we will go with the order of the matrix. Okay, first problem is we have 3 minus 5 7 minus 6 9 4. Here how many rows we have? Rows are represented by M, columns are represented by N. So we have, this is one row and this is another row. So we have 2 rows. And how many columns we have? Column 1, column 2 and column 3. How many columns we have? 3 columns. So order is written as 2 cross 3. That's it. Okay, just understand that first you have to be clear with rows and columns. It will be very easy in further. Okay, and then next we'll take this second problem. Second problem is we have 2 5 minus 3 6 1 minus 8. Okay, here how many rows and how many columns we have? Let us see. Okay, this is the row 1, this is the row 2, this is the row 3. How many columns? This is the column 1 and this is the column 2. So rows are 3 and the columns are 2. So what is the order here? Order is represented as M cross N. So here we have 3 rows and 2 columns. It is 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, then we'll see the next problem. 6 4 minus 2. Okay, now how many rows we have? Okay, row 1, row 2 and row 3. How many columns? This is only one column. Rows are 3 and column is 1. So order of matrix is 3 cross 1. And it is also called as, it has only one column, it is also called as column matrix. Okay, and we'll go with the next problem. 8 minus 3. Okay, how many rows we have? We have only one row. How many columns? Column 1 and column 2. Rows are 1 and columns are 2. So order of matrix is 1 cross 2. Is it very simple, right? Okay, let's move into the another problem. Fifth one, 11 minus 8 3 6. Okay, how many rows we have? Row 1, row 2. How many columns? Column 1 and column 2. Rows are 2 and columns are 2. So the order of matrix is 2 cross 2. Okay. And now it is 10. Okay, now I think you will get confused here. We have only one element. Okay, how many rows we have? Here row, here column, only one row and one column we will get. So the rows are 1 and the column are 1. So it is written as, order is written as 1 cross 1. That's it. It's very simple. Maths is a very logical subject. If you put effort in some of these things, if you're perfectionist in the first introduction part, and you are thorough with the terms, and it will be very, very, very easy for you. Okay, and let's move to the second problem. Classify the following matrices. Okay, through the different types of matrices. Okay, what is this matrices called as? We have only one column. It is called as column matrix. Okay, and the second one, 1 7 minus 8 9 and 4. We have 2 rows and 2 columns, means number of rows is equals to number of column, which is called as a square matrix.